HubSpot versus Mailchimp, which is best? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you another comparison video between HubSpot and Mailchimp. Which of these software is the best, especially for email marketing? So let's first start with HubSpot. So HubSpot is not just an email automation tool, but it also a growth platform that brings marketing automation, email, and a collection of other flexible marketing tools under one roof, integrating them with the power of CRM. Thus, you can get a clear end to end view of your marketing campaigns and gain insight into how they affect your customers throughout their entire buyer journey. While MailChimp, on the other hand, is the standard email application that has been around for a long period of time and is widely used by individuals and small businesses to connect with their audience. Users usually add integration to expand MailChimp's marketing functionalities. You can check everything that you can integrate inside MailChimp, and they have a huge number of other apps that you can integrate inside their software. So, why you need email marketing? Email marketing is a fine way to engage your leads and nurture them and move them forward in the sales funnel. Besides, it's cost effective and generates excellent return on investment. It is usually the first thing that marketers seek while going for marketing automation. It would be better to ensure that the tool you use is flexible enough to fit the growing needs of your business. And that's the reason why we are comparing these two best platforms to choose which exactly the perfect platform or software for you. So before we go any further, let's first check each other's pricing. So let's start with HubSpot. HubSpot has different groups of plans from the free tools. You can have free marketing tools, free sales and CRM tools, free service tools, and free CMS. But of course, these only give you the basic features since it's just a free plan. So they also have the marketing plans, sales, customer service, and CMS here that you can check on if you want to upgrade your plan. But today, let's just focus on marketing. So they have three plans for marketing, and this is perfect for email marketing. So the cheapest plan is the starter, starts at $45 per month, and you may get up to 1,000 marketing contacts, plus marketing automation such as form and email, remove HubSpot branding from your emails, get help fast through email and in app chat support of HubSpot, and also grow your revenue feature. Then the next plan is the professional plan, perfect for those small businesses with a small team. It includes up to 2,000 marketing contacts, plus more advanced features, as you can see here. Also, you can optimize your campaign conversion like A B testing, ad conversion events, contact create attribution. Also, under building custom reports, you can get website traffic analytics, campaign reporting, custom reporting, and Salesforce integration. And inside or under get advanced support, you can get phone support and more. And lastly, they have the enterprise plan for $3,600. It includes 10,000 marketing contacts plus all features inside the HubSpot. You can just contact their sales for assistance. Now let's check the pricing for Mailchimp. So Mailchimp also has three groups of plans. They have the marketing, websites and commerce, and the transactional email. Let's just check on the marketing plan. So first, the free plan. You can easily create email campaigns and learn more about your customers. This plan includes 2,500 monthly email sends, then 500 maximum contacts. But the downside is it can only be used by one user or one seat. It's good because you can send 2,500 emails, but the downside is only one user can use it and one user can't handle huge number of emails at once. You can also have other features here included to this free plan. And the other downside here is that you can only get email support for the first 30 days. After that, no customer support for you. So if you want to upgrade a plan, the next plan is the Essentials, starts at $11 per month. It includes 3 seats and 5,000 email sends and up to 50,000 contacts. Plus, you have 24/7 email and chat support as well. Also, integration, remove Mailchimp branding in your emails. You can also have A B testing, which is good, email scheduling, and also automated customer journey. And the next plan is the standard plan, starts at $17 per month, additional of 1,000 email sends here, and also 100,000 contacts, 5 seats, and get more features as you can see here than essential plan. The last plan is the premium. This includes most of their advanced tools, unlimited contacts, and priority support built for teams. You can have all the MailChimp advanced features, and that includes this comparative reporting, advanced segmentation, and also you may get onboarding specialists to help you set up your MailChimp. So, MailChimp is an in demand email marketing software that provides affordable plans for small and growing businesses. At the same time, this software can manage huge volumes of emails for big enterprises and organizations as well. Simple and convenient, MailChimp is a big name in the email marketing industry. While on the other hand, HubSpot is an advanced solution that helps sales teams bring all their marketing campaigns together and grow traffic and conversions. With this tool, you can create and alter visually pleasing websites on your own. You can also ensure that all pages are responsive no matter what device you are using. And beside from website designing, HubSpot helps you plan and improve content and have them read by the right audience. In my own opinion, MailChimp is a perfect tool for small and big businesses for their email marketing, and it's also cheaper compared to HubSpot. However, for social media management, lead management, and campaign management, if you do this thing, HubSpot is the best software to choose. As HubSpot, they have more advanced feature that will help you increase your leads, help you with your campaign, and also help you with your social media management. So if your focus is only on email marketing, then just choose MailChimp. But if you will be doing social media management, lead management, and campaign and more, then you can choose HubSpot, but the price is quite too much for you. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.